Hello everyone, it's Shahid here. Today I want to show you how to cook beef nihari. One of my friend is coming to visit us, so I thought it would be a good opportunity to show you how to cook beef nihari and serve them. This is very tasty and delicious too. So today I will show you the step-by-step procedure how to make it. See, there are 4 pounds of uh, beef here. Especially I try to select those bones. Basically we are going to make a soup with this beef and bones. So this is called nihari, as I said before. To cook this we just need to add these spices, as you see. First of all, we have turmeric, this is ginger, this is cumin, this is garlic, this is red chili, crushed chili. So here the turmeric and chili are both 2 tablespoons, like this, 2 tablespoons, and rest everything is only 1 tablespoon. Add the turmeric. Next we'll add the red chili. If you come confused with these different types of spices, you can easily go for any ready mix that is available in the market. It's called nihari mix. It's getting hot. First of all, we need to stir it very well. My plan is to add 3000 ml of water. Now I just need to add 2 more important things. One is salt. I prefer to add 5 tablespoons of salt. As you know, salt is based on your taste, so you don't need to follow this measurement. It depends on your own taste. And also I need to add some oil, cooking oil. I prefer to put around 400 ml of oil. It cook for another 2 hours, so you need at least 4 hours to cook this dish. We have onion here, so this is 2 cups of onion. We just added 2 cups of onion. You just stir once or twice. Much stirring is not required. Just make sure that it's not burning underneath, and that's everything. You just wait for cooking. As you see that the water level went down a little bit, so this is still there is a room for water, and reason why I am adding 1 more bowl of water. I added I put 6,000 ml or 6 bowl of this water. It looks good now. We need 1 more hour of cooking, and after that it will be ready for serving. So it's ready to taste now. I'm gonna taste it. It's looking good now. Let's try it. Oh, it's so tasty! Wow! Here we go. My friend is here. Now we're gonna try this nihari. Let's see how he likes it or not.
Yeah, it's very good. It's very good. I was not expecting that kind of like it is very tasty.
No, it's really good, and it's made of beef and beef bones. So you can make it with goat as well. So whatever. So I think it's a good thing.
Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah, I cannot wait to eat the whole thing.
So thank you viewers for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like, and also don't forget to click the bell icon so that you will get notified when I upload my next video. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Now we need to test it. Let's see how it is going. Oh. Oh, so tasty!
Okay guys, so thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my dad's channel. Also watch my channel and make sure you hit the bell icon so you get notified every time we upload a video, and bye!